Hi, here's something I discovered today that I thought I just really wanted to jump on and share with you really quickly, and that's this. If you're a woman and you've had a baby in the last 6 years, for example, if your child is 6 or under, then you could be entitled to receive NI credits. Now you might be thinking, what's NI credits? National Insurance Contribution Credits. So if you've not been working and you're not receiving child benefit and you've not filled out a form, then you're actually going to miss out. Now you might think, well, my husband earns more than £50,000 a year, which is why, or my partner earns more than £50,000 a year, which is why I actually haven't submitted a claim. However, the reality is that if you actually don't submit a claim, even though you may not be entitled to receive child benefit, you'll actually be missing out on an entitlement later on down the line. And guess what this is? Now you might be really surprised, but actually it's your pension, surprisingly, not your private pension, but actually your state pension. And I know the state pension is only under £10,000 a year, but ultimately this is going to be quote unquote free money for you when you get to retirement age. So ladies, if you've had a baby and your baby is still 6 or under, make sure that you contact the .gov.uk website.
Search for form CH2 as shown on the screen. This is from the .gov.uk website, and you can actually choose whether you wish to fill out the form yourself here and print it, or whether you wish to actually fill it out on screen.
But anyway, go through the process as if you were going to be claiming child benefit, and if your husband or your partner is earning more than £50,000, then just tick the box that says I don't want the money, but at least you will get the tax credit. So it will serve two things. One is it will help your pension later down the line, your state pension later down the line, and number two, it makes sure that your child gets a national insurance number when they turn 16. And yes, it's a long way off if they're 6 or under, but you know what, it's something that you can just do very, very simply, so why not do it today?